G'day everybody, my name is Lowell and welcome to the channel. So we've got some more Cakra Khan. This one is going to be Tennessee whiskey. No, we've already done Tennessee whiskey. That's fine. This one's only just dropped on his YouTube channel, so this is an updated version of it. So unfortunately, we don't get to see him anymore on America's Got Talent for whatever reason they've come up with. I mean, he is so immensely talented. It's just ridiculous that they think that he can't go on that. I don't know. Whatever they've come up with, it is what it is. So, but we can still enjoy his music here on YouTube when he does some new ones. So let's jump in and let's watch Cakra Khan with Tennessee whiskey. All right.
Used to spend my nights out in the barroom, liquor was the only love I known. But you rescued me from reaching for the bottom and brought me back from being too far gone. You're as smooth as Tennessee whiskey. You're sweet as strawberry wine. You're as warm as a glass of brandy. Honey, I stay stoned on your love all the time. And I've looked for love for, the same old places. Find a better bowl, but always dry. But when you pour out your heart, I didn't waste it. No, I won't. 'Cause there's nothing like your love to get me high. You're as smooth as Tennessee whiskey. You're sweet as strawberry wine. You're as warm as a glass of brandy. Honey, I stay stoned on your love all the time. Hey. You're smooth as Tennessee whiskey. It's Tennessee whiskey. It's Tennessee whiskey. Hey, you're smooth as Tennessee whiskey. It's Tennessee whiskey. It's Tennessee whiskey.
I tell ya, fantastic voice, doesn't he? Fantastic voice. He's got that smoky, gruff voice that just embodies that whole sentiment of Tennessee whiskey. You know, the smoky room. You know, the old bar scene. His voice just projects that image. Fantastic, fantastic. As I said, you know, at the start, an amazing voice. I don't know why he's not in America's Talent anymore. I don't know. However that show works and however they decide, I mean, that's up to them. Wasn't meant to be. That's fine. You know, it's just a blip in his career. You know, he's already got that audience out there anyway, so he'll just continue making music how he has been, and he has got a bit of a wider audience now because of obviously he's been on that show, and you know, and if people really like his voice, they'll just continue to watch him on YouTube, and his presence will grow there. So, and with a voice like that, you know, it's just fantastic. You know, you can't hide it. You know, if people like that kind of voice and that kind of delivery of a song, you know, they'll come. So that's why I'm here, because I love his voice. Absolutely love his voice. When he does the blues, man, he's just got that voice. You know, it's just so suited for it too. So we'll definitely do some more Cakra reactions. If you have any in particular, let me know down in the comment section there, guys. So let me know what you thought of this one, updated version of Tennessee Whiskey from Cakra. As I said, it's just new on his channel as well. I'll leave the link to that new video down there, and you can go and send him some love on his channel there. So guys, thank you very much for joining me today. Make sure you stay safe wherever you are, and I will definitely see you in the next reaction video. Did you enjoy that video? Why not watch another one?